Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and exciting product that's perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour to their next event. We discovered this product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Let's jump right into it. We're reviewing the Beistle Paparazzi Cutouts, specifically the 2-count set of Hollywood-themed decorations. These are designed to transform any space into a glamorous awards night scene, making them a fantastic addition to your party decor. So, what exactly are the Beistle Paparazzi Cutouts? They are wall backdrop decorations that depict paparazzi photographers, capturing that quintessential Hollywood vibe. Each cutout measures an impressive 63 inches tall, which is a perfect size to create an eye-catching display on your wall. They are made from a thin printed clear plastic, lending a sleek look that can easily elevate the aesthetic of any gathering. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First up, you get 2 printed plastic pieces in one package, allowing you to create a dynamic scene on your walls. Since they are printed on a thin sheet of plastic, each cutout needs to be cut out before use. This means you can personalize your setup exactly how you want it. To attach them, simply use tape, easy as that. However, it's important to note that these are not freestanding props and do not include lights. They are meant to be taped directly to your wall, which gives you the flexibility to create a fabulous backdrop without needing additional support or equipment. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Beistle Paparazzi Cutouts are perfect for anyone planning an awards night themed party, whether it's a birthday celebration, a milestone anniversary, or even a school event. If you're organizing a Hollywood-style party, these cutouts will help set the stage for a glamorous atmosphere and encourage your guests to get into character. But that's not all. These cutouts can also serve as great photo props. Imagine your guests posing with these larger-than-life paparazzi cutouts, capturing their own Hollywood moments. This can create a fun and engaging experience, and the photos will surely be memorable keepsakes from the event. In terms of practical use cases, you could use these cutouts not just for parties but also for themed events at schools or community centers. They can serve as a fun backdrop for talent shows or award ceremonies, where the focus is on celebrating achievements, much like the Oscars or other prestigious award shows. Furthermore, if you're looking to add a bit of flair to your home decor for a special event or even during a movie night with friends, these cutouts can be a delightful addition. The versatility of these decorations means they can fit into various settings, making them a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves hosting themed gatherings. To wrap things up, the Beistle Paparazzi Cutouts are a fantastic way to bring a slice of Hollywood right into your home or event space. They are easy to set up, visually striking, and perfect for a variety of occasions. Whether you're throwing a celebrity-themed party or simply want to add some glamour to your decor, these cutouts are an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If this video